Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. In this video I'm going to show you how I create this cut crease eye look on my hand. If you are a beginner or you want to learn eye makeup, so this video will help you so much. So watch the video till the end. So first I start my eye makeup with moisturizer. You can take any moisturizer. Now I'm taking this kind of angular brush to create eyebrow on my hand. This is how I measure my eyebrow. First I'm taking very tiny amount of eyeshadow and start to create eyebrow. Now I'm just roughly draw the eyebrow. Once you draw the eyebrow and take a tiny amount of eyeshadow and fill it out. Now I'm taking this kind of cut crease brush to create a sharp line of my eyebrow. You can use any concealer. I'm using here Forever 52. Once you've done the shape of eyebrow, now take any foundation or concealer to create a base. Here you can use a big brush, but I use this small brush here. Now take any blender to blend all the base. Now I'm taking any loose powder and lock my base. Now I'm taking this liquid liner to create a eyebrow here. Now I have done the eyebrow here. Now I'm taking this kind of pencil kajal and measuring my eyes and draw here. Now the next step is take any kind of bullet brush, and I'm taking this dark brown color to create a crease line. Once you've done the crease line, I'm going to blend with the crease line with the help of light brown color shades. Do not spread eyeshadow inner V. Start with your blending with the help of small blending brush. To create a depth, I am using a little bit black color here. Now I am changing the brush. I have taken the fluffy brush. Now I am cutting the crease with the help of concealer brush. This is how you can cut the crease. Now I am dragging all the concealer which is extra. Usually I take the concealer on my nail. Now I am blending all the concealer harsh line. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, here I am using You Can Be eyeshadow palette, and now I have taken the dark green color of this palette and applying mid lid of the eye. I am not depositing this color in inner V because I will apply here black color. You can also use a light color in a inner V. Now I'm mixing black and brown color to create a depth outer V. And blending all the harsh lines. Now I'm taking a Q-tip to remove all the excess eyeshadow. Now it's an important part to create a eye. So I'm taking this white kajal, or you can take any white base and fill it out. Once you complete the eye base, so take any liner brush and create eyeball area. I'm using brown here and little bit black. And fill it out with the extra eyeshadow. Now I have completed the liner and lower liner also. Now I'm doing a drop eyeshadow look here. I have done the lower lash and upper lash also. Here is the final look. I have applied a little bit shimmer in inner V and also apply a bindi because I love to apply bindi on my eye makeup. If you do like the video, give a thumbs up this video and share with your friends who want to learn eye makeup. I will see you in next video with a new look. Till then, bye bye.